Is your Windows PC running out of storage or feeling a little slow? Temporary files could be the reason. Here's how to delete them in less than a minute. Step 1. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp and click on OK. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the files, then press Delete. If some files can't be deleted because they're currently in use, simply click Skip. Click Continue if Windows asks for permission. Now press Windows plus R again. Type %temp% and press Enter. Once again, press Ctrl plus A, then delete all the files. Click Continue if Windows asks for permission. Skip any files that are currently in use. Finally, press Windows plus R, type prefetch and press Enter. Click Continue, then select everything with Ctrl plus A and delete the files. If Windows asks to skip any files, click Skip. That's it. You've removed unnecessary temporary files and freed up storage on your Windows PC. Follow tech and tips for more simple Windows and Android tutorials.